Introducing UOG Skincare, a premium line of products designed to transform your skin. At UOG, we combine cutting-edge science with natural ingredients to create formulas that hydrate, rejuvenate, and restore your skin's natural glow. From our vitamin C face serum complex that improves skin tone, lifts, and firms, to our eye serum complex that reduces dark circles, puffiness, and fine lines. Every product is crafted with care to deliver visible results you can trust. Loved by skincare enthusiasts everywhere, UOG is all about empowering you to look and feel your best, one step at a time. Now, we're offering you the chance to be part of our journey. Introducing the UOG Affiliate Program, your opportunity to earn while sharing the skincare products you love. Here's how it works. Promote UOG products using your unique affiliate link on social media, blogs, or email campaigns. 15% commission on every sale. With free product samples to showcase to your audience and exclusive affiliate promotions, you'll have everything you need to succeed. Our dedicated team is here to support you every step of the way, ensuring you maximize your reach and your earnings. Whether you're an experienced affiliate marketer or just getting started, UOG offers a rewarding opportunity to grow with us. Join the UOG Affiliate Program today, www.uogskincare.com/affiliate-area/ to get started. Together, we'll create beauty and success